Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to see the latest BotMaster bulk WhatsApp sender, which is business sender. Earlier it was we had a 1.0, then 2.0. Now it is 3.1, the latest version, which is having a catalog option, which is list option, and the other one is interactive button and call to action buttons. All these features has been added and working perfectly on iOS as well as Android, even on web WhatsApp. Everywhere you can able to see the button options. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it works as a quick demo. So simply I'm just typing hi test or whatever you want. If you want, you can take variable with the full name. You know that how to do. On your Excel sheet you should mention a name on the A side, on the B side numbers. Okay, so then going forward I'll add my number on manual imports. You can copy paste or simply you can type the number. This is my number 9566527786, import. Then if you forgot to add country code, simply you can type 91. okay, then I'm going to add a catalog option, which is the list option. I will show you how to add that. Before clicking on the checkbox, I'll click here config. So I'm just typing anything for test purpose. You can type your own message. Okay, then I have to add a category. Category name can be edited. Okay, I will type book 1. Then I can add an item, which is simply I have typing, then I'm adding another. Before adding another, I can even I can add another category. Okay, I'll add one more product in this same category. Okay, then I will add another category. Maybe this category name I will name it cat 1. So in this cat 1 category I'll add some J K. So all these categories, all these keywords, you can save this catalog. Okay, because if you want in the future, you can simply open this catalog and no need to type every time. Okay, so simply I'm giving okay. Then I have to click the checkbox to send this message. Then again I will show you the interactive also on this same message itself. Here I'm adding a button. So for example, interested, not interested, or whatever you want you can add. Then I'll put URL, visit our website or whatever you want. You can type that website, but website it should be with a full URL, https digisoftware.com. yes, this is my site. You can find this product on this site as well. And I will add a call to action phone number. Okay, then call us. I'll put my number. Okay, 9505. okay, number is correct, perfect. Okay, so now I have added both the options, catalog option and the button option. Now I'm going to add a photo. I'll show you whatever we have adding, how it delivers or not. Yeah, that's fine. I think maybe I can add one variable for you just for random tag. Blind mode, you know what is blind mode and safe mode. Blind mode, when you're sending to the new people, unknown people, you must send in the blind mode, otherwise message will not get delivered. Safe mode, when it is only for the people who know already that you have chatted earlier. Okay, then only this message will work. Now we'll go with the blind mode. Delivered. Now if you want, you can export this delivery report. Okay, and here. Let's check. Yes, this is how we are created. See, today timing 12:50. Now you can see on my desktop at the below right side 12:51. Okay. So this is the message, hi test. This is the random tag, which is you can every time it will keep on changing to the for every other people. Okay, so this is how it works. And interested button, website button from the phone, if they want to call immediately, if they click, because this is the web, that's what is not going. If they click on website, it will take you to the website. And this menu option, list option, which is category option, catalog option, this is how it is. If anyone they want to select something, that message will be going to them. And this is the photo which I have added. So all these features are working very perfectly on the iOS and Android as well. Now this is the number filter. This option earlier it was there. You can filter out the numbers, whoever in the WhatsApp or not, you can find them. Otherwise number generator is there. All those options you can import file, this thing CSV file. You can import contacts and send messages to them. And the other option, you have group grabbers. You can grab the members, you can fetch the group, and you can scrape the numbers and add to sender, or you can export. You can take out the numbers from Excel sheet, then you can send it across. You have auto rule reply. In this auto rule reply, you can put your keyword, so that whatever the message you have given in the call to action, interactive button or list option, those messages will be triggered from here. Okay, and you can set catalog as well from here, this side. You have to enable the rule. Then auto reply option is there. Okay, then create catalog option available on this platform also. So report option, everything is there. I am giving you with the support and update, everything you will be getting. If anybody requires this product, my number is in description. You can call or WhatsApp me. I'm happy to serve you better. So maybe I'll see you on the next with a good product. See you till then. Take care. Bye bye.